Hi, welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today is the day after Christmas. I thought it might be a fun idea to kind of show you what I got for Christmas, like a Christmas haul. If this is something that you do enjoy, make sure to leave a comment down below, give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe if you have not already. I'll just go ahead and get started with what I got in my stocking from Santa. First, I got these nice, cute snow gloves so I can go play out in the snow with Skylin. It doesn't snow here that often in Oklahoma, but when it does, these would be perfect because I don't have any. I got these flat socks with my Hey Dudes. I do not wear socks except for when I put them on the inserts, like I put it on the inserts and then slip my foot in. So I thought maybe these would be perfect for that. So I'm excited to try these out. I got a new headband for when I'm doing my beauty routine or my nighttime routine when I'm washing my face and whatnot. It's super soft, excited. I got a brush cleaning holder, if you will. So you take your makeup brush, after you're done cleaning it, you can have it dry in like this, or I guess maybe like this. I don't know. So I'm excited to use that when I clean my brushes, and they are well overdue, so I need to clean them really bad. I got Kitsch, I think that's how you say it, Kitsch Disney hair accessories. Goodness, if I can talk. So I have a claw clip, some clips, which will be perfect for clipping my hair back when I'm doing my makeup. Cute little scrunchies. I got some more face serum because I am running low. I got the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil because I am almost out, so I'm glad I got that in my stocking. I got the trial size of the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Texture Spray. I'm excited to try this out because my hair is very flat and I'm going gray. And then I got the Bio Oil Skincare Oil. I have seen like great reviews on this, so I'm excited to try this out more for my face, like some scarring that I get, because I am a nervous picker, so I will pick at my face. Not so much for my stretch marks, because the only stretch marks I have are from having Skylin, and I am embracing those. So, but I'm excited to try this and see how well it'll help clear up what's on my face. And then I got the Ferrero Rocher. I don't know how you say it. Ferrero Rocher is how I always say it. Dark chocolate bar, hazelnut bar. I've already dug into it and it is so delicious. I did also get some skins for my Xbox. The Pluto skin is super adorable on my Xbox, as well as I got a Minnie Mouse and a Mickey Mouse skin for the controller, and they are super adorable. I absolutely love it. If you can't tell, huge Disney fan. Think that is everything that I got in my stocking. Thank you, Santa, for getting me those things. My husband got a heating pad for me and Skylin. He thought all the girls in this household needed heating pads. Hayden already had one, which I would just borrow hers, but he thought it would be a good idea for all us ladies to have one, even though Skylin's not there yet, but she will eventually get there, but she's been enjoying it. One of my favorite book series is from Serena Valentino. She writes books that are like the Disney villain's point of view, and I have all of them except for the newest one that just came out is Kill the Beast, so it's Gaston. It'll go over his story of how he became a villain. The books are very good if you are into the Disney. The Ursula one, reading that, she like sings her song and I'm like singing it in my head the whole time. It was quite enjoyable. They're like kind of preteen to teenager type books, but they're still so much fun, especially when I'm a huge Disney fan. So we got some vinyls. Justin Timberlake was my Spotify all-time favorite. When you go over the Spotify recap or whatever, this Justin Timberlake was my number one. And then I, of course, am a huge Spice Girls fan, born in the 90s, so of course. So I have these vinyls. My husband got me this huge Disney Lego set. I think it is so cool. I am excited to put it together. It has some villains on it, and these are like, they look like the books, but then like a VHS. That is so cute. And a Queen of Hearts card. That is so cute. I'm so excited to put this together. My husband also got me this card tray, which is not something I really knew I needed, but I'm super excited to try. It's by the brand Stupid Card Tray. Funny name, but these little inserts, you can buy them separately. So you buy the, I guess you get the tray and then you buy these inserts. He thought it would be super helpful for me carrying all my suches to work every morning, because I take like 2 to 3 drinks, like my water bottle, coffee, sometimes a protein shake with it, my breakfasts, my lunchbox for the day. He thought it would be like perfect for my car. It just like sits in your passenger seat, and it can like, it has a strap so it can lock in there, as well as a seat tether where you like could insert it. Here it is, where you insert the seat. So, and then of course for Christmas I can't go without makeup. So my husband got me the Aurora Struck palette from ColourPop. This is such a beautiful palette. Oh, such gorgeous colors. The Aurora Borealis, super cute. Actual one of them is called Borealis. I also got the Stone Cold Box palette, which has been around for a very long time, but I do not have it. It is such a gorgeous neutral tone palette. This is the blackest black eyeshadow that I have ever seen. It is crazy. It's even blacker than the one in this palette. I also got this outfit from Skylin and Corey. They thought that I could use like a super comfy like sweats outfits over break and the weekend. So these little booty slippers that are off of Amazon, I don't know exactly what you call them, but they're just Amazon brand and they're so comfortable. So rocking this outfit, I was extremely comfortable all day Christmas Day. And then Skylin got me the Frosty the Snowman collection. I'm not sure it's the whole collection, but I do have the eyeshadow palette, which is really pretty as well. This one I'm excited to use, and Skylin is excited to dig into it and try it as well. The little snowman beauty blender, it's so cute and adorable. Can't wait to use it. 2 Luxe lipstick and lippy pencil duos. The Magic Hat lippy pencil with the matching lipstick, which is, gosh, where are the names? Silly Snowman, there it is. There you go. And then the other one is Over the Hills. Over the Hills. And the matching lipstick is First Snow. And then the Plumping Gloss Bomb Trio in Frozen, All Melted, and Feeling Like Frosty. So this one is, oh gosh. It says So Juicy on it. Oh, there it is. This one is Feeling Like Frosty. This one is Frozen. And this one is All Melted. That is all I got underneath our tree and in my stocking at home. I did get a pink Stanley mug from one of my friends, as well as collectively for Corey and myself, a couple board games from some family members. So that's it. I just thought it would be something fun to kind of show you what I got. Mostly to kind of show off these 3 palettes here. And the Frosty collection. I think there might be a couple things maybe missing from the collection. I think there's a glitter or something. I'm not really sure, but I did get quite a bit from it. So anyway, I think that's it. Again, if these are type of videos that you like, hit that thumbs up button. If you have not already, please subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Appreciate you all who are following me.